Want to manage all history on YouTube but you're not sure how? Well, in this video, I will show you how. So let's get started. First of all, open up your YouTube app, tap on the U icon, which is the last option at the bottom here. And then you tap on the gear icon, which opens up your settings. So you click on manage on history. And then it opens up this YouTube history page. So keeping your history makes YouTube more personal. You can learn more by clicking on the learn more option. Or now we have saving your YouTube history, auto delete is set for 36 months and the rest of them. Then you can see some activities. You can see all your YouTube history, everything you've done. You can decide to delete by clicking on the delete option up here. So you can decide to delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. So you can also decide to copy it by clicking on this to show history older than a particular date, actually not copy. You can search for a particular history by typing in the history you're searching for. So you can also go back here and click on saving your YouTube history. You can tap on it and you can decide to turn off this option so that YouTube will no longer save the history of what you watch and the things you search for. But this is actually needed because when it saves the YouTube videos that you watch and the things that you search for, it's supposed to give you better recommendations. Remember where you left off and more. So if you don't want this, you can also turn it off. You can also go to auto delete, which is on right now. If you don't want this, you can tap on that option and decide the number of months you want, and then you can even decide not to at all by clicking on don't auto delete activity. So you can also click on next to see the next option. So it will confirm your preference to keep your activity until you delete it manually. So we can go all the way back and see what else we have under that. We also have manage history. We tap on it. And then we're back here. So don't forget that not all activities will appear on your YouTube history. So that's all it takes to manage all history on YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.